Introducing the invention of railroads. Wagonways? No, railroads. Well, good point. Let's start there. Wagonways are the lesser option to the new invention of railroads. Wagonways can originate back to the 16th century, powered by animals, such as horses
and bulls.
Steam locomotives are what are used on these railways. Steam locomotives are a type of steam engine that were first built by Richard Trevithick. Who was Richard Trevithick? Trevithick was a Cornish man who was poor and had inattentive schooling, but he first got into engineering through the mining industry, for his father was a mine captain. He had a knack for engineering and wanted to invent a high-pressure steam engine to increase efficiency to previous designs. The outcome of this invention was making the first working railway steam locomotive. What are steam locomotives? Steam locomotives are self-propelled rail vehicles using fuel to move, such as coal, and they were used for mining. Steam locomotives would then be designed again and again for maximum efficiency, and to be used for more than just transportation mining, but they would also be used to transport humans, cargo, and cattle. George Stephenson was an Englishman who had no formal education and worked as a child in coal mines. He self-taught himself engineering by repairing and rebuilding machinery. He worked in a few engineering positions such as a brakesman, and then became a civil engineer, given the title the Father of Railways, for inventing plus releasing the first public railroad. Where did this even happen? The steam locomotive was invented in the UK, and the first public railroad was released in Stockton and Darling.
Note, the UK calls railroads railways, while America calls them railroads.
What other components does a train have? Trains also include a caboose at the back of the train. Safety inspections can be held. And the steam whistle to alert when danger is ahead, or when changing directions. Another feature is no animals are needed. Why should we invest in railroads? You should invest in railroads because of the invention of trains. Trains reduce the time it takes to travel a distance. Did you know that carriages only travel 20 to 70 miles per day, while the trains using railroads can guarantee 100 miles more at minimum? Reason 2. Health. Food can be delivered quicker, lowering the risk of it being spoiled or someone getting malnutrition. Reason 3. Diversity in culture. Mass migration can occur, allowing cultures to mix, such as food or clothing. And with all those benefits is why you should invest in railroads. To invest, call 1-800-RAILROADS.